Stuart Smith here, people. I paint monsters for a living. Come on board. Hey people, Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs in studio again. And kind of going back into my laser tag days. Some of you know that I started off doing laser tags. So we've done 130 laser tag arenas in our lifetime. And that was all before we started into the haunted houses. So we're doing some more Starscapes today. And they are in 3D and they look amazing with the glasses. So like, subscribe, hey, leave a comment. And just FYI, we're going to be using these in our Shopify store. It has some puzzles and wraparound sweatshirts and things of that nature. So check that out. That's also in the description below. Thanks for coming on board, people, and we'll see you in the next video.